welcome to the another sound comparison video. This time I'm gonna compare sounds of Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro and Nothing Ear 2. I have been using Liberty 3 Pro as my daily driver earbuds from I think from past 8 months or something, 6 or 8 months, for watching movies, listening to music while traveling, and of course taking phone calls as well. And I'm quite impressed with the sound quality they offer. On the other side, Nothing Ear 2. Now on the other side, as far as Nothing Ear 2 is concerned, I have been using them mostly at home for watching movies on my tablet and sometimes listening to music as well. So just let me quickly tell you about the brief comparisons between them. So this is Nothing Ear 2. So you can see the case, and let me just show you the Liberty 3 Pro as well. So as you can see, the design language of both these earbuds are quite different actually, and Liberty 3 Pro are a bit bigger than the Nothing Ear 2. On Nothing Ear 2 I am using default ear tips, and on Liberty 3 Pro I am using SpinFit CP100 Plus. So now as far as the comparison is concerned, first of all I'll cover sound quality. I like the Liberty 3 better as the sound is bit V-shape and bass heavy, and it is mostly suitable for all kind of genre of music as well as watching movies as well. So because of the V-shaped sound and bass heavy signature, you can enjoy the action movies, and you can feel the rumble behind the explosions and action scenes in these earbuds. And they support 3D surround sound also, which works really good for watching movies actually. And regarding Nothing Ear 2, they have a less bass quantity as well as quality as compared to Liberty 3 Pro. Their sound signature is also a bit V-shaped, and music sounds good as well. And I don't like them for watching movies and web series, so this is my personal choice. And another thing is, for the movies, the sound signature sounded bit thinner as compared to the Liberty 3 Pro. So the area where the Nothing Ear 2 is better than the Liberty 3 Pro are the midtones. The midtones are much better than Liberty 3 Pro in Ear 2 actually. The midtones in Liberty 3 Pro are bit recessed. And regarding the high tones, treble, high tones in Ear 2, sometimes they are very sharp and piercing as compared to the Liberty 3 Pro. But in Liberty 3 Pro, the high tones are well tuned actually. You will not feel any fatigue from the high tones in Liberty 3 Pro. So basically, if you like V-shaped sound signature and bit more bass heavy, so Liberty 3 Pro are for you, which is very good for the listening music and 3D surround sound for watching movies and web series. And if you like a brighter sound signature, a V-shaped sound signature with a brighter side, so Nothing Ear 2 is much better for you. And now the ANC is much better on Nothing Ear 2 than the Liberty 3 Pro. This is what I found. And the noise isolation is much better on Nothing Ear 2. So if you are the one who takes lots of phone calls and do online meetings, so Nothing Ear 2 is much better for you. Now the mic quality. I have used both of them extensively for taking phone calls, and I found the mic quality of Nothing Ear 2 is much better than the Liberty 3 Pro. And now as far as the comfort is concerned, again, Nothing Ear 2 has much better comfort. Even for longer sessions also, these are more comfortable earbuds. I don't know, because maybe of the stem style design or something. Like I've used them for taking long meetings and phone calls, but even after long sessions, you cannot feel there is something inside your ears. So these are that much comfortable. But regarding Liberty 3 Pro, comfort is like a hit or miss. For some people, they say these are more comfortable, but for me, as I have a smaller ear, so these are not comfortable as Nothing Ear 2. But where these Liberty 3 Pro shines is the fit. If you are able to get the good fit, so these you can use in your gym or your sports sessions as well. By fit I mean like they have provided a number of ear tips and ear fins. So if these kind of style suits you, then these are the best earbuds for your gym, like if you like running, jogging and anything. But with the Nothing Ear 2, the fit is not stable actually, so you cannot use them for your sports purpose or gym. Both the earbuds supports multi-point connection, and Nothing Ear 2 supports LHDC, whereas Liberty 3 Pro supports LDAC. But the main thing to notice is the LDAC does not work in the multi-point connections. So you need to switch off the multi-point connection in case you want to use the LDAC. And for this sound demo, I have enabled LDAC and LHDC on both the devices, and the audio files are used of high resolution. So let's jump to the actual sound comparison of these. So let's go, guys. So guys, you are listening to the internal microphone of Nothing Ear 2 earbuds. So this recording is with the quiet background. So guys, you are listening to the internal microphone of Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro, and this recording is with the quiet background. So guys, you are listening to the internal microphone of Nothing Ear 2 earbuds. So you can hear the difference. How these earbuds are isolating the background noise. So guys, we are listening to the internal microphone of Liberty Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro. So the background noise is simulated cafe sounds. So you can hear, how these earphones are isolating the background noise and the voice.
नजरिया लागे नहीं कहीं ओ नजरिया लागे नहीं कहीं नजरिया
let me know in the comment section guys about this video, and if you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the future content. Thank you.